Alright, I'm gonna try and forge a pretty simple little paper towel rack. My shop needs one. I've been keeping my paper towels sitting here on my workbench for way too long now. And it's high time I sorted that out. Being a blacksmith after all. Relatively simple project compared to the knife and the shovel from recently, but we'll make a rack to hang the towels like there or something. So, let's get the forge cranking. Alright, fire got going, and I'm going to show you what we're doing today. So this is 3/8 inch rod. I'm just going to put a leaf in it and a couple of bends, and probably a bit of a scroll so that it'll hold the towel on. I'm going to be marking out the place where I'm going to drill a hole with this. The other hole will just go into the leaf end, spade end, whatever you want to call it. And I'll touch mark it, I suppose. Yeah, without further ado, let's get on with it. Well, that was interesting for me. I've never actually done that before with the touching that in. I'm not going to go all the way through. I'll drill it out to put a screw in. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's good to know. Alright, there you have it, folks. Pretty simple. It seems to work pretty well. See ya.